Hello guys, we back this interesting story, new story. Today I want to speak about the funny times for the cats. See, let's go. Look, Julia, all time like it ice cream. See, every time I want eat ice cream, he came. See, two sisters, Lester and Emma, all time together play, fight. Go in the basket and they play together. See, I put a basket here for the trash, but she went inside. See, this bag for me, for my clothes. But all time they will go inside. Yes, they're very cute. And see, two Lesters, Anneke, Fayet. Lester and Emma, two sisters, Fayet play, Fayet play. I like them. I like them. Yes, give up me. Go. Don't fight with me. You fight with me. Yes. I tell my mother. Come back. Oh, see, Emma. Emma go up. So up. The up in the kitchen. How can I bring her? How you go up? How? It's very tall. Very dangerous. Please calm down. Please come. Oh, here Lucy and Tiger, two sisters. Too much fight together. Every place they find and fight together. But all time Lucy start. Here Lester, Emma, or another orange cat. I make it dry foods, but they come and see me. Maybe they won't help me. Oh, Jivan a good boy. But Lester, fight Mr. Jivan. But Jivan, elder brother, very kind. He is a good boy. Very good boy. But see, here again, Jivan take it, a small brother, and speak with him, brother, please, quiet. Please, don't fight with me. Please, my brother, please, my brother. I am an elder brother for you. Please, I like you. I want you. Really? You like me? Okay, I like you, but I want to fight with you. Fight with you. It's okay. Please, I want play with you.